Okay, so this is the video recording thing. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let me read it. A quarter is thrown off a cliff. After it's thrown, the height can be expressed with a quadratic equation based on t seconds. We call this equation the project. Oh well, projectile motion formula. H equal -4 when h negative 24t power to 2 plus vt plus s. Okay, that's the real world problem. What if the quarter is thrown 240 feet off the ground and is thrown at a velocity 36 feet per second? How long will it take before the ball hits the ground? H equals 0. Okay, so H is 24t. Wait, yeah. H is wait, I should draw 0 first. 24t 2. And then I'm cross this out because I did H. And V is 36 plus 36 t plus s, which is, where is s?
Are you guys communicating telepathically? What are you guys doing?
240. So I got the velocity and then the second right now. So that is good. Part 2. Now use that equation and factor out -6 from the trinomial. Okay, so my next step was, sorry, it's blurry focus. Okay, so my next step was now use an equation to factor out -6 from the trinomial. So for part 2, it says now factor out -6 from the trinomial. Okay, well, how I did it was I put 0 and then I got 4t to 6t 40, and that's how I got that answer. Now part 3, now factor the smaller trinomial. Use the table to find the right combination and set up the binomials to get this, if that makes sense. So -6, -16. So I'd start out t 4t, and then I try to figure out like what could go in a -16, if that makes sense. So -40, and then let's see, and then and I subtract it. So I write this all down. So 40 t 4t equals -36t. Wait, because to be able to get this answer, I'm trying to get this answer, so this is not the correct one. And how I got this answer was because I subtracted it, and then I got that answer. So I'm going to continue again. 10 for t to negative 20, and now you put negative 20t plus 8t, then I got negative 12t. So that wasn't the right answer. Now I'm gonna try t equals 4. Anyway, so I do the same thing again for t. Then factor. Okay, so I'm gonna try negative 4, 10, and I got negative 16 plus t equals 16. Negative 16. So that's the same number as this. Then I'm gonna write that down. So I'm gonna highlight it so you can find it. I'm gonna highlight it so you can find it. Wait, no, I shouldn't highlight it. Alright. So so this is the one that I want, because negative 16, that's how I got that. So then negative 6t for 4t plus 10 equals 0. See, that's the same. So I got that, and then I use this equation first, and then I use that one next, and then those are the final binomials. Okay, now part 4. Part 4. In order to graph the quadratic equation, you need to find the zeros of two binomials. Okay, so you need to find zeros of the two binomials. Alright, so So 0, then I get 4, 2.5, then t equals 4, and then 4, 4, and then 4, 4 plus 10 equals 0. So I use 4 negative 2.5 because you get 0, and then they want 2 zeros of the two binomials. So then I'll do the same thing. So t negative 2.5 and negative 2.5, negative 4, well, not negative 4, but take away 4, and then I'm going to write the thing for again, because I'm basically doing the same thing, but like the different numbers. So, negative 2.5 plus, why am I, okay, I'm gonna have to erase this. Oh, this is very difficult. Sorry if it's shaky, because I'm doing it with my left hand. So that and plus 10. So those are the two binomials for the equation. So now we're gonna have to do the back page, the last step, which is part 5. Okay, which of the two zeros is the right one? In any other words, how many seconds did it take for the quarter to hit the ground? So I'm gonna look back at the zeros. So I got T4. So I'm gonna use T4. So I got 4 seconds to hit the ground. Cause I can't use this one because it's not a time, and then this is the only option because it's like a floor. So I use that. So thank you for watching.